Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. You might have surprised what are the basic things I am going to discuss in this video and how it will collaborate with process safety. So there is very famous quote that 80% incidents are happening due to unsafe act and 20% incidents are happening due to unsafe condition. We will come later on it. First we revise Book's definition for our better understanding purpose. So what is unsafe act? It is simple mean that accident or incident is happening due to human mistake as he is not following established procedure, standard operating procedure, work instruction, etc. etc. And what is unsafe condition? A condition in the workplace that is likely to cause property damage or injury. For example, it means that incident is happening due to facility or equipment is inadequate or not capable to handling process chemical or process parameters. Like high pressure reaction supposed to be at 10 kg and reactor is designed for 6 kg. Water reactive material comes in contact with aqueous utility due to reactor or HE jacket leakage or rotating part of equipment not properly guarded, etc. etc. Now move towards main topic. Is that really 80% incidents are happening due to unsafe act and only 20% incidents are due to the unsafe condition? The answer is absolutely no. Basically, famous quote is the conclusion of Henry's theory. And who was he? He is an insurance manager who sitting with corporate peoples during concluding this theory. And obviously, passing the blame towards another is a nature of human being. As well as in country like India where such a massive manpower available of doing a task and most of the manpower under burden of EMIs, loans and striving for basic requirement Anna Vastra Nivara, the gap between unsafe act and unsafe condition is very thin. Most of the time during the accident investigation it is just a blaming game to weakest part of that incident and he is a human being who do not have any godfather or any backup, which resulted loss of annual increment or loss of promotion for next 3 to 5 years at least or ending his career. Through this video, my sincere request to all decision maker, stop blaming the people during the accident investigation. Identify the loopholes in system and try to resolve it to make the system more robust and healthy. Understanding the importance of basic and one of the most important pillar of process safety is that employee workforce involvement. Without it, we cannot achieve a goal of PSM standard implementation. I would also like to request government to bring a law and aware the people so they and their dependents will not suffer from such cruel procedure. Please try to spread this video to maximum population to increases the awareness as it's small step towards to make our society better, healthy and environment friendly.